Hello, friends. You always need a perfect and stunning website for your business and services. Let me show you some very good layout and ready to customize website examples. This is a website for restaurant. Clean, aesthetic, and to the point, and it had all those features that you may need for a restaurant website. Similarly, I have many designs that I can show you. In fact, so this is one plain simple, another with liquid design creative agency website, and this is for retail shop. This is an e-commerce website. This is very clear and crisp, and this is for business websites. Another for digital idea, digital agency, we can say, and this is for education. This is for academic institutions and all. So I have many designs that I can show you, and with the theme that we are going to overview in this video, you can select and opt to have any of these ready to use websites. Of course, you need to put your own content. So these are all demo website, and the theme name is Ave. So it is a responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme, and it has got a very good reviews from its existing users, and it is a high selling WordPress theme. So I'm surprised how this theme remained uncovered during our videos. So you have hundreds of themes and plugins on this channel. As you know, you are a regular visitor. You can explore all the themes, plugins, useful plugins, and hosting and how to guides on the WP themes website to the video description link. So choose, compare, and select only the things that makes you successful in the digital front. Okay, so thing is that we are going to overview this uh, Ave responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme in this video, and as I said, I am trying to bring all those themes in this month, which is costing very low, the low cost theme and perfect in design and ready to. In fact, you can go with those themes because we are testing all those themes. So this theme does not require any testing at our end. It has already been tested and it is uh, performing well since long. So I'm going to give you 10 reasons like why you should choose this theme. So this is not a promotional video. As I said, you have hundreds of options on this channel itself, so you can choose and compare, but you have reason. Like this is being a best selling WordPress theme, and this is of course not so old. So it is 7 years old actually. So it has a well-established history as well. Ave is the result of 3 years of design and development, award-winning project, and featured on Envato, the best review rating in the market with 4.98. And we have decided dedicated team focusing full-time working on Ave itself. Okay, in 2019 we have added 280 new features. So there are many more regions and there are regular updates for this theme as well, so you can check the change logo and all those things through the link that is available, that will take you to the themeforest.net. But main thing is that how easily we can create a website using this Ave WordPress theme. So we have all these layouts to select, and I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and I am using the default 2025 WordPress theme as of now. So I'm using the cPanel based hosting plan that you can get through WP Themes website. All great hosting providers you can find here under hosting tab. And in case if you need ready business solution website, like business solutions are here. So you have multiple options that you can explore, and you can even start a WP success program, explore material kits. So everything is for you for what this website on this website, right? So coming back, and let us start the installation. So first of all, I'll show you the theme pack that you'll get at themeforest.net. So of course, it is very obvious and clear. You can get this theme at themeforest.net only, and the link has been given in the video description. You just need to spend $19, and in this $19, you are going to get all future updates for this theme and quality check by Envato, the 6-month support from the Liquid themes itself, and in addition to this, you can join the iCreate program for free for getting all the supports from a mentor who can help you in every manner in completing your website and launching your website. Yes, it is free. So you can start a direct chat here, right? So let me show you the theme pack. So we have a complete bundle here. So this is the installable theme file, 15 MB, 15.8 MB in size. The child theme is also included. The change log we can check here. The online documentation, this is going to be helpful if you are very new to WordPress. Some plugins, in fact, many plugins have been included in the bundle, so we can use these plugins during our installation process. So let us start the installation. Ave WordPress theme, which is a multi-purpose WordPress theme, and it is a best rated, top rated WordPress theme that you can get just for $19. To start the installation, we have to head to the appearance section. Here is the themed option. You can add new theme here. You just need to upload the installable theme file. Don't try to upload complete folder, only installable theme file that is available here, ave.zip. This is the file that we need to select. Click on install now. It will take a while depending upon your host capacity, and uh, it is recommended to use cPanel based WordPress optimized hosting plan. And if your hosting is not optimized for WordPress, just get in touch with the mentor, and the mentor can help you optimize hosting plan for you. Right, so theme got installed within seconds, and we can go to the theme page just to check the details. And here is the app with the 2025 default theme. It is here now, and it is version 2.9 with me. And you need to check always the latest version of theme that you get at Invato, of course. But yes, check always you are using the latest version of the theme. You can check all these things in the change log and all. So right, uh, thing got installed, and we can activate it very clearly. And upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality. Only very few plugins. So have core, the portfolio, WP Bakery is the page builder that has been used, the visualization slider is for hero image, and only 5 plugins that we are going to install here. Select all, select install, click on apply, and it is going to take a while again. Plugins installed, and now we can select all again. This time we will select activate and click on apply. This will activate all the installed plugins. So this is all going to be in a single click, and just in case if you are facing any trouble in installing plugins, install plugins one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation. It is a very crucial step so that you may install plugin properly and error free in an error free manner. So all installed, activated as well, and we can come back to the dashboard. That is a welcome from Revolution Slider, and we are intended to go back on the dashboard, right? So all good as of now, and we got some new navigations, and the liquid is here. This is the core feature and the dashboard from the theme, and we can go to the dashboard. On the dashboard, we have the activate theme option that you can use with the key that you'll get at your downloaded package. Activate the theme first, and after that we can even check the install plugins. We have already installed the plugin that is required, so all is showing active here: App Core, App Portfolio, WP Bakery Builder, the Revolution Slider, and Contact Form itself. Right. So the next is import demo, and here we can select our dream website, what we want to have at our installation. So all the options, the contemporary, the charity, the concept, the retailer, minimal soap, services, and all that we discussed in the beginning of this video. You can choose any of these layouts. There are many, and you have all these choices. So what I am going to choose? So I'm going with the very first one, original. So I mean the name is original. So I can go with the import demos. So let us begin the demo import, and the button is here, import demo, and I just clicked, and let us see what happens in the background. So the spinner is here, and the spinner is showing uh, what we actually want to import. So all content, media attachments, theme options, sidebars, and the homepage itself. So this process will override all your current setting. Of course, this is a fresh and core installation, and it is recommended to import the demo on only on the fresh installation. So import demo, is the next step, and now the progress bar is here. With the 0%, we need to wait until it reaches to 100%, and all of a sudden it reached to 199. I'm surprised how it is working and why it is okay. So the progress bar is different for different processes. Now the another process is going on and the progress bar is again 0. So now the I believe some posts are being imported. So we need to wait patiently here, and we should not disturb the screen until we are getting any success or even maybe the error message. Let us see what happens, and I'll show you the final screen that I'll get. And in the meanwhile, when the demo content import process is going on, we can open the media library in another tab just to confirm another tab. Just make sure you are opening this in another tab. Don't disturb the ongoing process. And if you are getting images here, it means all is going fine and you have only one option to wait until the process goes fine and you get a success message or the 100% complete message here. So I got 83 media items and the process is still going on. So I'm going to wait further. Okay, so I came back on this screen after 4 or 5 minutes hardly. And I can see the demo import progress screen, the card of demo import that was showing the progress screen is gone. And so I feel it should it is complete. And now I will first of all I check the media items, and I have 139 media items. Earlier it was 83. So let us check our website. It will clear our doubts. So visit website, and it is loading, and I am waiting for new and stunning website, and it is here only. So I'm happy to see this all got imported. All elements has been successfully imported without any doubt. It is all good, and I can see it is complete. So I am randomly checking the pages, like this is going on internal pages. I wish to check one of the internal page, and it is like about us page we can check. And bit slow, I must tell you. On an average, I have seen the pages gets load very quickly, but there might be some issue in my internet as well. Okay, so if just in case if you are facing the persistence loading screen and the content is not loading, just in case. So what you have to do, just go in the settings area, and the permalinks, further permalinks is here. So select the post name just in case if it is not selected, it might be in your installation it is already selected. So for me it was like this day and time. So I selected this post name and just hit the save changes. So what it will creates a htaccess file, and that works for the next internal loading pages. So I can see all the pages are here and the pages are loading fine. And just to show you again, so I can come back, and this is the installation. And so I'll show you the pages, all pages, how many pages we have after the demo import process. And I can see the 90 pages. Okay, so we can use all the relevant pages according to our need that we need for our business website, like the internal services page are here. So you can choose the service page like agency or advantage or business, whatever it is, whatever is applicable for you. And I have this service page. So the horizontal the horizontal content container. Okay, so they're all good, and we can use all these pages, of course. So what is next? So I'm coming back to the so I checked on another browser, all pages are working fine. So now I'm going to quickly show you the options that you can use. So import demos, we have used the theme options. First of all, I'll show you. So the liquid theme option, that is the theme control panel. So in the control panel of theme, theme panel, we can say that we have the layout. We can choose either the box layout or wide layout, side width, the page color screen, and the content background. Further, we have the background gradients and the low margins, row padding options, responsive options, the color options. We can choose the logo, header, the page title bar, footer, the typography, WooCommerce options, API keys, and all these basic settings, but very important. So you can explore, and as required, you can go for setting. You have this support link in case you need support. You can directly hit on this link and contact with the developers, theme developers. Now, next is the header area where you can choose the header options. I mean, the header that is being used for your layout, and you can edit the header using the WP Bakery page builder. Similarly, we have footers, the mega menus, the portfolio items, and the uh, slider evolution. So for hero image area, the sliders are here, and you have to edit the sliders if just in case if it is being used in your selected layout. So for me, it is not being used. All good, and we can find for checking the front end editing options. So I'm coming back to the home screen, and let us assume we are editing the home page. So the editing steps and the options for editing the screens are always same with the WP Bakery or any page editor in. Just open the page that you want to edit and hit on edit with WP Bakery page builder. So you might be thinking about the Elementor page builder. So this theme, as I can see, does not offers Elementor page builder. So it is being widely used, but the WP Bakery, personally, I feel it is a better page builder and it is being used. So it is a long history for WP Bakery page builder, and it is a word and very stunning page builder. So with the WP Bakery, you can either use the front end editor. So just hover on the area that you want to edit, and you can change the text content, the images, and all. And even we have the backend editing options. So just in case if you want to use the backend editors, I'll show you the backend editor as well. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text content, uh, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. So backend option is more comfortable for me, and you have both the options. So in the backend option, you can check all the elements and edit the contents as and where required, and I'm sure you can do all these things at your own. So I feel this can be a very good choice when you are targeting a multi-purpose theme and willing to choose a perfect theme for your business website, for your agency website, and you have option to explore multiple hundreds of themes here on this uh, website or on this channel itself. So all the videos coming on this channel had been listed here on the WP Themes website for convenience, the filtration and all. So it is all together. Basically, it is showing the videos from the channel, and you have all the other options like growth engine and business success. So you can explore all these things. And it is all for this video. And I shown you the most of the things about the Ave multipurpose WordPress theme. And yes, I have yet not shown the deep customization options, but yes, we are available through the iCreate program where you can join for free when you are buying the theme through the video description link, and you just need to spend $19 for grabbing this opportunity. So let us meet in the next video where I am going to bring most important things, most helping tools for your WordPress website, themes, plugins, and all. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.